Welcome to Quick Meditation, where we provide short but effective meditations for busy individuals like you, who want to start their day with clarity, stability, and presence. In today's session, we will guide you through a 10-minute morning meditation to help you cultivate and achieve clarity, stability, and presence for your day ahead. So, find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. And let's begin. Let's start by taking 3 deep breaths in and exhaling slowly. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air. And exhale slowly. Releasing any tension in your body. Repeat this a few times, and notice how your breath naturally slows down, and your mind begins to calm. Continue to breathe deeply. Filling your body with oxygen and life-giving energy. Now, bring your awareness to your breath and simply observe it without trying to control it. Notice how your breath moves in and out, and how your body responds to it. As you continue to breathe, bring your attention to your body. Begin at the top of your head, and slowly scan down through your body. Notice any sensations, tensions, or discomforts in each part of your body, and allow yourself to release them with every exhale of your breathing. Continue to scan down through your body until you reach your toes, feeling fully present and grounded in your physical body. As you continue to breathe, let go of any thoughts, worries, or distractions, and simply be present with your body. Now, visualize a bright light above your head, shining down on you, and filling you with positive energy and warmth. Feel this light expanding from your head to your toes, and imagine it purifying your mind, body, and spirit. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful and peaceful environment, surrounded by nature. Take in the sights, smells, and sounds of your surroundings, allowing yourself to feel fully present in this moment. Visualize a bright light entering through the top of your head and spreading throughout your body, filling you with a sense of clarity, stability, and presence. Let this light remind you of your inner strength, wisdom, and beauty. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourself, allowing them to sink in and reinforce your sense of clarity, stability, and presence. I am clear-headed and focused. I am stable and grounded. I am fully present in this moment. I am worthy of love and happiness. I can achieve my goals and dreams. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. Take a moment to express gratitude for this day and for the opportunities it holds in your life. It can be something as simple as a good night's sleep, a warm cup of coffee, or a supportive friend. Consider the blessings in your life and allow yourself to feel grateful for them, and let it inspire you to live a meaningful and fulfilling life. As you come to the end of this meditation, bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember that you can always come back to this place of calm and peace whenever you need it. Carry this sense of clarity, stability, and presence with you throughout your day. And see how it transforms your experiences. Thank you for joining us for this 10-minute morning meditation. If you found this guided meditation helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick guided meditation videos. And if you have any requests or suggestions for future quick guided meditations, please leave a comment below. Remember to take care of yourself and have a wonderful day.